To investigate the secrets of nature, you have to look closely. At Weleda, we have discovered something very special. Something that crops need in order to be able to stand upright or withstand strong winds and rain. There are some things that plants cannot produce themselves, but they find them in nature and use them for their own growth. This is how the ears of the crops grow strong but supple. It requires patience, because good things take time. Every crop gradually gains strength. It becomes smooth and shiny, free from any other influence. Just like healthy hair. We have used this knowledge for our new hair care, which complements our tried and tested products and gives hair exactly what it needs. Because nature knows exactly what's important. Taking inspiration from nature, we have developed our unique way to create healthy hair naturally.